1970 Oldsmobile 442 stands as one of the most legendary muscle cars of its era, delivering an unmatched blend of power, style, and performance. This model, built during the peak of the American muscle car revolution, remains a symbol of raw V8 dominance and aggressive design. The exterior boasts a bold aerodynamic shape with a long hood, sculpted body lines, and an unmistakable front grille. Dual air scoops on the hood enhance its aggressive look, while optional racing stripes add to its high-performance identity. Chrome bumpers, quad headlights, and flared wheel arches contribute to its commanding road presence. Whether in coupe or convertible form, this classic muscle car leaves a lasting impression. Inside the cabin, the 1970 Oldsmobile 442 offers a driver-focused and comfortable environment. The seats feature premium vinyl or cloth upholstery with a contoured design to provide support during spirited driving. The dashboard layout is clean and functional, with a wood grain trim that adds a touch of elegance. A 3-spoke sports steering wheel and round gauge cluster emphasize its performance-oriented nature. Equipped with an AM/FM radio, air conditioning options, and power accessories, this model offered a mix of luxury and muscle. The center console, when fitted with a Hurst Shifter, adds to the thrill of driving this beast on the open road. Under the hood, the 1970 Oldsmobile delivers exhilarating performance, making it one of the most respected muscle cars of its time. The standard 455 cubic V8 engine generates 360 horsepower and 500 pounds-ft of torque, ensuring incredible acceleration and high-speed capability. The W30 Performance Package pushes the limits even further, featuring a more aggressive camshaft, an aluminum intake manifold, and a functional fiberglass hood with cold air induction. This setup maximizes power output and enhances throttle response. Available transmission options include a 4-speed manual, 3-speed automatic, and the sought-after Hurst dual-gate shifter for precise gear control. A limited slip, differential, and heavy-duty suspension provide excellent handling, ensuring this muscle car performs just as well in corners as it does in straight-line speed. The 1970 Oldsmobile 442 remains a highly sought-after collector's car, with prices varying based on originality and condition. Pristine examples with factory W30 packages command premium values at auctions. Whether admired for its aggressive design, powerful V8, or historical significance, this muscle car holds a special place among enthusiasts. Owning one today means experiencing a golden era of American performance engineering. For more legendary muscle car reviews, specs, and features, subscribing to our channel keeps you connected to the best classic and modern performance vehicles. Join our community and stay updated on the most exciting automotive content.